So far, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Then you will see a bell button. If press that also, so that my future videos will come to you as a personal notification and you can enjoy it immediately. Thank you. Hello viewers. In this episode, let us see the meaning of the 8th sloka in the first Dashakam in the Narayaneeyam. Here, the Narayana Bhattatri looking at the Lord Guruvayurappan and saying, Hey Hariye. Here, the Narayanan, the Guruvayurappan are all called even by the name Hari. So, he starts the sloka with Hey Hariye. So, see, he further says, you are a special kind of the Parijata Vriksha. Now, I will show you some stills which can clear your mind. One thing I will show you, what is the Devaloka Parijata Vriksham. And here in the Bhuloka now, we have Parijata Pushpam. And this is very, it has got very good smell. And even the another flower called Pavaramalli in Tamil is also called the Parijatam. So I will show you the three kind of stills from which you can understand the basic difference which the Narayana Bhattatri is going to tell you in this sloka. I hope you would have seen the Devaloka Parijata Vriksham and the Parijata Pushpa flower which is now available in the Bhulokam, and the Pavaramalli, the flower type of flower which is called the Parijatam also. All these things I have shown you in the stills. These flowers has got a good fragrance, and these leaves has got the medicinal effect. So here the Narayana Bhattatri says, you are not the Devaloka Parijata Vriksham. What is that Parijata Vriksham, Devaloka Parijata Vriksham? See, if you go there and sit under the tree, and if you ask anything, you will give it. Here, you please note, you have to ask. And then Narayana Bhattatri is describing the Guruvayurappan as a special type of the Parijata Vriksham, where you can see the difference. If the devotees thinks about the Narayanan, pray to him wholeheartedly, he comes towards the bhaktas, devotees. So, he gives everything they need. Here, you please also note, the Guruvayurappan gives everything they need. They need not ask the Guruvayurappan, you give me that, you give me this, all these things. If you pray, that is enough. He knows your requirement and he gives whatever you need. See, what are all the things he is going to give you? For example, some things I am telling you, some material things you will need for the living, that will be given. And then the wealth and the land holdings you may be interested to increase, that will also be given. And then you will be needing the your son or daughter, like that next generation. You would like to get the you would like to be blessed with the child. So that thing also he will take care of you. And then beyond that, if you are aged and if you are satisfied with the living in the world, you will ask, you would like to get the moksha and reach the feet of the Lord Guruvayurappan. So, if you ask, if you are deserving, if you are deserved for this, you will also be given the moksha status once you pray to the Lord Guruvayurappan wholeheartedly. You need not even go to Guruvayur and see the Guruvayurappan and do all these things. That is the next thing. Once you pray, that is enough. So, these are all he says, and you are a special type of Parijadam. He also says, see here, you please note, I would like to tell you the difference between the Devaloka Parijada Vriksham and the Narayanan special Parijada Vriksham, which the Narayana Bhattatri describes the Narayanan is, see, you have to do lot of yagas, homas, all these things you have to do by spending huge money, and then if you are deserved, you can go to the Devaloka from this Bhuloka. Because if you want to see the Parijada Vriksha, you have to go to the Devaloka first. So, the thing which you have to note here is, see, you have to go to the Parijada Vriksham, Devaloka Parijada Vriksham. But Narayanan is not like that. If you think about the Narayanan and you pray to him wholeheartedly, he will come to you and he will come to you. That is the difference. Second thing, you have to go and sit under the tree and ask your requirement. But Narayanan is not like that. He knows your requirement and he will give everything whatever you want. He knows it. Whatever you deserve, it will be given. So, the third thing is, it will not happen every time. By reaching the Devaloka and seeing the Parijada Vriksham, all these things, it will not the daily affair. It is not you cannot take the bus ticket or train ticket and go there and do see the Parijata Vriksham. But in the case of Narayanan, it is not like that. See, if you think he will come to you, daily you can think, daily he will come to you. So that is the difference. Fifth thing, see, actually, you have to sit under the tree, Parijata, Devaloka Parijata Vriksham, and you have to ask, and whatever you ask, it will be given, I told you. But the Parijata Vriksham cannot give everything. It has some limitations. What is that? See, the thing is, the moksha, if you ask the Parijata Vriksham, it has no power to give you the moksha. That can be given only by the Lord Guruvayurappan. So, Lord Guruvayurappan can give you the moksha also, which the Parijata Vriksham cannot give you. So, these are all the basic difference. So, what he says, see, without even going to this place and that place and Guruvayur and there, everywhere, you just pray to him, surrender to him, you will get everything what is needed. But these people, the devotees, some kind of devotees, he says yachakas. See, this yachakam means you are begging something. See, there is a certain type of devotees where they go to Guruvayur and without seeing Lord Guruvayurappan, they will go and stand before Narayanan. You please give that. You please give me the material things. You please give me the moksham. You please give me my wealth. You please give me everything. They will go and ask actually. But these kind of people, which the Nambudri, Narayana Bhattatri, is comparing with the Devaloka Vriksha. See, Devaloka Vriksha, you have to ask. So, these kind of yachakas, bhaktas, separate type of bhaktas who are asking something in front of Narayanan, He knows your requirement and whatever you needed, he will give you. Need not ask it. But these kind of yachakas, as if they are asking something under the Devaloka Vriksha, they are asking at the Narayanan instead of praying him and instead of surrendering him. So, what kind of people these are? That is what he is asking in the sloka. Now, I think, see, the whole sloka is running around the Parijata Vriksham. So, in the middle of the sloka, you get the word Parijadam. So, once you get the Parijadam in the sloka, you have to understand all the meanings. That's all. It's very simple. So, now hope the meaning is very clear for you. Now, you go to the sloka and again you read the sloka. You will understand it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.